How to remove forgotten password, PIN, or pattern on Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So a lot of times, you forget your passwords over here. You're gonna hit wrong passwords and your phone might be locked over here. So let me show you by example over here. So let's just create some wrong passwords and lock the phone. So here the device is locked for 30 seconds. So you just have to see the option of forgot password at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on forgot password. Now when you tap on forgot password, it says you have to erase all data on your device, including photos and contacts. Then tap on next and you just have to tap on the power button and then tap on the power button as well as the volume up button simultaneously, and then you'll be able to see the Mi logo. After that, you just need to select the wipe data, which is erasing all data option. As you do that, you'll be able to remove forgotten password, PIN, or pattern on your Xiaomi. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.